At least there's a regrowth of the place, and although I was not able to talk to them intimately because kulang yung panahon, but to see the smiling faces, but you know, if there is one tragic event in my life, marami yan eh. Matayan ka, ano. May isa akong event na nagkaroon ako ng trauma. Yung Yolanda. I will not it was a very traumatic experience because ewan ko kung nandoon kayo, but I was there.